Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rockstar games to Steam. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. As you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop. Now I've got the Rockstar Games launch open, and the way to do this at the moment is what you want to do is open up Steam, and then what you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and you're going to see an option to add a game. So you want to give it a click, and then what you want to do is click onto add an on-Steam game. So what it's going to do is load up a list of all your programs. So if you can't see the Rockstar Games launch in here, then what you can do is basically browse by clicking down here, and then what you want to do is from this PC you want to go into your C drive and then program files, and then search for Rockstar Games from there. So you can see we've got it here, and then what you're going to do is click onto this launcher and double click onto the launcher icon to add this to the list. So you can see that's currently being added. Then all you want to do is click onto the add selected programs. If you now go into the library, you'll see that basically that's now been added into the left hand side. So we can click onto this. You can see that there's this new background, but you can add your own if you right click. You can click on set custom background and put your own image there. At the moment, this is the only way to actually link your Rockstar account to Steam. But if a new method does come available, of course I will post that on the channel. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.